Hi, and welcome to this video on the Subject Management tool. This video will demonstrate how to create GUIDs using the Subject Management tool. The Global Unique Identifier, or GUID, is a random sequence of characters that allows researchers to share data specific to study participants. It is based off personal identifying information which undergoes one-way encryption before being shared with the central GUID system, so that PII is never transmitted or stored outside collection sites. PII cannot be recovered from the GUID. Since PII for a participant will not change, this allows correlation of participants across studies. FITBIR cannot accept data without the GUID. The following PII is required to generate a GUID. Complete legal given first name of the subject at birth. If the subject has a middle name, if so, their middle name. The complete legal family last name of the subject at birth. Their day of birth, month of birth, year of birth. The name of the city or municipality in which the subject was born, and the country of birth. The GUID client software is a web-based JavaScript application and is accessible directly through your internet browser. In order to access the GUID tool and create GUIDs, we must log into our account and navigate to the Subject Management module. Now I will provide a demonstration of using the Subject Management module and GUID tool. First, navigate to FITBIR and log in. Click the Subject Management module. The first table that appears is a list of your subjects with GUIDs you registered. In order to add a single subject, click Add Subject. In order to use the GUID module, we must click to accept data privacy terms. The following functions are available. Create a GUID. This function generates a valid GUID provided the minimum required PII information is available. This module uses a one-way hash function to generate a unique GUID for each participant. Create a pseudo GUID. A pseudo GUID is a unique ID that is not based on PII. PII is not required to obtain a pseudo GUID. This function should only be used if a user is unable to get a valid GUID using the create GUID function due to insufficient PII for a participant. Please contact FITBIR operations for guidance on pseudo GUID requests. Convert a pseudo GUID. This function allows you to convert a pseudo GUID to a GUID if you are able to obtain the required PII. You can also search for a GUID or pseudo GUID in the system. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a single GUID as well as multiple through a batch upload. To create a single GUID, click Create a GUID. Enter the required PII information in both columns. There are also optional fields which are not required to generate a GUID. The GUID is now available under the My Subjects section. Here you can view which users have also registered this subject. You can delete the subject you created. You can find related GUIDs, data sets where the subject has been used, and also the subject history. Now I will demonstrate how to create multiple GUIDs at the same time. You can either click Manage Multiple Subjects, or from the My Subjects section, click Add Multiple Subjects, In order to create multiple GUIDs, we must first download and populate the GUID batch template CSV file. Here I've filled out the required information for the generation of 3 GUIDs. Once you are ready, you can now upload this batch file. Click Generate. A status will appear below if the GUIDs have successfully been generated or if there was a warning or error. We can see that there have been 3 GUIDs generated based off of the batch upload. You can also download a table of the GUID you have created. This concludes the brief tutorial on use of the Subject Management module in GUID tool. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your operations team. Thank you for watching the video.